Parents are working hard to feed a new generation. But there's something wrong with this picture. There's a weirdo in this nest. But that doesn't stop the parents from caring for it. Right under Mum's nose, the chick kicks out one of the unhatched eggs. But that's still not enough for the parents to disown it. Maybe this is enough. It's a cuckoo. A parasitic bird that deposited an egg for the unsuspecting foster parents to care for. The cuckoo eggs hatch earlier than the others, and as soon as it's strong enough, it clears out the competition, so it can get the most food and grow into this. Its adopted parents lack the ability to smell a rat, so they keep feeding it and feeding it, raising a chick that will destroy more families in the spring times to come.